Welcome back, students. So let's continue with the same part, that is analytical paragraph writing, the same topic. So now here we will discuss the format of analytical paragraph writing, only the first point, because all the points that not possible to discuss in one video, it will become a long one or the lengthy. So now in the previous video module we have learnt that the meaning of analytical paragraph writing and in short features of analytical paragraph writing, along with the weightage of marks, that plus word limit, everything that we have discussed, plus the language we need to use. So now here we will discuss that the format of analytical paragraph writing, because we know first comes as usual introduction, then body, it means the main content of the paragraph, that is analytical paragraph. Now later on, that is conclusion. So these three parts will come here, 3 points: introduction, the body of your paragraph, and conclusion. So now let us discuss what is expected in introduction, which is also the main crucial part of your writing. Now just like the beginning, we can say well begun is half done, so that's why the beginning must be in a proper way. See, now in introduction, that your introduction, it should describe in brief, in short, because here in introduction only 1 or 2 lines are expected, 2-3 lines, beyond that do not go. So now it should describe in brief here, in short, what I am talking about, only introduction, not body, not your main content. So that's why it should describe in brief what the graph is about, what the given table is about, given pie chart is about, or the outline is about. So in brief that you need to provide. This is the first. Next, your introduction. In introduction, the reader should come to the context of the chart. With the help of your introduction I wrote in brief here. Introduction, because of your introduction, the reader will come to know that this is what the topic, just like the headline or the main heading. So now the reader will come to know about the topic. Next, here no need to go into the details, because in details we will describe in the body of your paragraph or in the main content. So that's why here no need to go in detail in introduction. Then 1 or 2 lines are enough for this. It is best to conclude your introduction in 1 or 2 lines. It is best, the word which I have used, 2-3 lines, that is okay. Clear? Your introduction. Then you can use the following phrases. See now, for introduction, the question arises here. The question comes that how will you start your introduction then? How will you make your introduction? So now come in. You can use the following phrases to start your introduction. For in short, for example, that I wrote some phrases here. First, it means you, by using these phrases, that you can start your introduction. See, first, for example, that the chart given above describes. This is the first one, the starting. You can start in any way which are given here. The chart given above describes this and this one. Then come to your topic. Describes this and this one. This is what the beginning. Then another way you can start. Next, the table suggests. The given table suggests. What suggests? Then you include here your topic. This and this one, the birth ratio, the death ratio, or the population, whatever. Now, then, coming to the next one, the line graph shows what? Then question, it means your topic will come here. The line graph shows. So you can use these phrases here. Then, the data given provides information. Information I wrote in brief here, you write the complete. So then, the data given provides information about, then come to the topic. Explain. Next, the pie chart illustrates what? Then explain your topic here. Mention. So children, I need to say whatever some 5 phrases that I wrote starting that I have given to you. So out of these that you can choose one here. Any one out of these. Clear? So this in this way, in 2 or 3 lines maximum, that you will try to wind up your introduction here. This is what about the information in short about your introduction. Now in the next video module we will discuss about body or the main content of analytical paragraph writing. Thank you, students.